So this is the Learning for Peace project and the very first workshop that we organized at the Sigmund University.
They need to see these stories.
How was the bridal dress of grandma? And then they're searching through family albums and then all these narratives come up.
Now I recognize what's happening in my family. And I trace the date. It turned out that that explains alcoholism, violence in the family, early deaths, cancer.
They offered abortions for women who were raped.
What is guilty? What does it mean in your family that someone is guilty?
And you ask, absolutely self-reflexive and you can do it better. No, we cannot do it better.
Speaking about a traumatic memory usually feels like a jump into the unknown, where you have no idea what's going to happen in the next moment.
It moves from I to we. Of course you have to ask, okay, who is this we? She started to remember, but she didn't.
We are defending ourselves, our communities, our languages, and it seems that we are just kind of sitting in our small boxes.
That sometimes it's not a question of historical truth, but it's rather the question which impact the story has on the following generation.
So what is my position toward this traumatic experience? The grandchild comes and wants to continue the story. It could be also an educational tool. We have this huge
I think the things that you had mentioned, so emotional literacy, then empathic listening, to think about victims as these men that lurk in the dark, in the alleyways. Rapists are in our houses.
And there was a huge discussion inside the family in finding.
We were discussing so many aspects of oral history, and maybe it's not just me who thinks, did we get any further? Or do we have even more questions?